Namaste. I'm Shalini Modi. I'm an author, and today I bring to you a concept called Mahalaya from Hindu tradition. But before we begin, since we are in Navratri, let me invoke Devi Durga, the feminine goddess. She is the manifest world. She is Prakriti incarnate. She is the mother who creates as Lalita Tripur Sundari. She sustains as Lakshmi and gives us pure knowledge as Saraswati, and annihilates or destroys all that is not required to create space for new as Kali. Sarv Mangal Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharan Netrambake Gauri Narayani Namostate. So let's see, what is this Mahalaya? So as you all know, we go through the 16 days of Pitra Paksh, a time dedicated to our ancestors. It is a belief that the ancestors come down from Pitra Lok to be with us. On the last day of this period of 16 days falls Amavasya, and this is the day that's called Mahalaya. It's like a transition period between the Pitra Paksh, dedicated to ancestors, and Devi Paksh, Navratri, dedicated to Devi. As after this day, after this Amavasya, the last day of Pitra Paksh, begins Navratri. So it is a belief that on this day, Devi begins her journey from Kailash with her husband, Lord Shiva, down to meet us devotees. In some cases, they say to meet her parents. And devotees too prepare for her. They prepare for the Ghat Sthapna or the Kalash Sthapna, for chanting Devi Durga Saptati, and so many more rituals to welcome Devi into our hearts and homes. Another thing that takes place, or a ritual that takes place on this day, is the painting of the eyes of idols of Durga and of her children, Kartikeya and Ganesh, thus bringing life into the idols. In the wee hours of the first day of Navratri, you can hear the Bengali homes buzzing with the sounds of Mahishasur Mardini, which narrates the story of how Devi Durga annihilated this demon called Mahishasur. As the name suggests, he took on the form of a buffalo, which signifies tamas in our bodies. Tamas, which slows us down and is inaction as well as indulgent. The buffalo also can devour a lot of food in one go. Tamas in body and mind are road blockages in spiritual growth, and therefore, if we allow the Devi within us to rise as Sattva and Rajas, that is pure knowledge and righteous action, then she will annihilate this demon called Mahishasur of Tamas within us. So let us welcome Devi into our hearts and homes this Navratri. Jai Ma Durga.